How to log out WhatsApp from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can log out WhatsApp from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if your WhatsApp account is also logged in and linked with other devices, such as let's say a secondary device, your tablet, your laptop or something like that, you can remove from those as well. For this, open up WhatsApp. If you're using Android, you'll find the three dots from the top right. If you're using on iPhone, you'll find the gear icon from the bottom right, which is the settings option. Once you do that, just tap on the three dots or the settings option. Then you'll find this option that says linked devices. So you can tap on the linked devices option. Now in my case, I haven't linked any devices so far, but if you have, then you'll find those linked devices over here, which you can directly select. Then tap the logout option. Then that particular device will get removed. This way you can log out WhatsApp from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.